In this video, I'll show you how to use layers in Photopea step by step in 2026. Layers are one of the most important features in Photopea because they let you edit different parts of your design independently without affecting the rest of your project. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Photopea. Create a new project or open an existing image. On the right side of the workspace, you'll see the **layers** panel, where every image, text, shape, and graphic element is stored on its own layer. To create a new layer, click the **new layer** button at the bottom of the Layers panel. You can also duplicate an existing layer by pressing **Ctrl + J**. This is useful when you want to edit an image while keeping the original layer untouched. To move a layer, simply click and drag it up or down in the Layers panel. Layers at the top appear in front of the layers below them. This makes it easy to arrange text, images, and graphics exactly where you want them. You can rename layers by double-clicking their names. Giving each layer a descriptive name helps keep large projects organized and makes editing much easier later on. Photopea also lets you hide or show layers by clicking the eye icon. You can lock layers to prevent accidental changes, adjust the layer opacity to create transparent effects, and change the blending mode to produce unique visual styles. For even more control, use *layer masks to hide parts of a layer without permanently deleting them. This is a non-destructive editing technique that's widely used for professional photo editing and graphic design. Once your project is complete, click **file**, choose **export as **, select the format you need, and save your work to your computer. That's how to use layers in Photopea